Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm gonna show you how to install NATO watch straps, also known as NATO straps, and they were developed by the British Ministry of Defense for wartime usage. And the nylon composition of a strap prevents metal from touching the skin of the wearer and provides stability, and also can save your watch if one of the spring bar fails and your watch is it just drops to the floor. So let's say the spring bar failed on your watch out there in the field, and this what happens. It's highly unlikely that both of the spring bars will fail, and this will happen, and it will keep your watch on the wrist so you can securely save it. So to install a NATO band, first you're gonna need some NATO bands, and again, you have your watch and you need to remove the bracelet on it. So you use that by removal tool, or if you don't have a removal tool, you Google. I made a video. I will link you in the description box of this one, how to remove a watch band without professional tools. So it can be, you can do it with a knife or a credit card or whatnot. I will link you in the description box. So you remove the band, and now you have two spring bars, which are springs loaded here, and you put them on your watch like this. There are two holes here, so you know. And afterwards, you have your NATO band. You can get a leather one. I like leather ones, but these are the proper NATO ones with the nylon. And the buckle part. Buckle part goes to the 12 o'clock as a general rule of thumb, and you just slide it through here, and again you slide it through here, and you go. You place it where you want to have it. Usually it's around this part here. Then you do this and then slide it through this here, so you can see, and there you go. Voila, very nice. And these are cheap, so I will link you this Amazon link where you can buy these NATO straps. These are very cheap and affordable. If you have just one nice watch and you want to change and make a different looks for your watch, this is the way to do it on the budget. Get a bunch of these straps, be a cool like James Bond because he wore one, and have your watch secure on your wrist and be stylish and cool and whatnot. So yeah, that's it. This is my quick video, how-to video. I done this video back in 2014, and that's why I'm doing this again, because it gained a lot of views, but back in 2014 my audio was bad and the production was bad. So yeah, anyways, thank you for watching. Subscribe if you like watches.